this recipe today, we're making meat doner kebab. The ingredients will consist of a piece of ginger, 2 halves of lime, 6 cloves of garlic, onion half and quartered, and half a potato, and also fresh coriander. We also have 1 kg of minced beef and 250 grams of lamb fat. This recipe also includes half a cup of corn flour and half a cup of ordinary flour. Also, 1 tablespoon of gochujang will be in this recipe. For the spices in this recipe, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of shawarma spice mix, half a tablespoon of kebab mix, 1 teaspoon, of black pepper, half a tablespoon of MSG, 1 tablespoon of salt. Into the blender, we're going to add coriander, onions, potato, the garlic, onion again, lime and ginger, and blend. While it's blending, we're going to add the meat, piece at a time. We're going to keep blending until it has become a fine texture. So with the mince that's left, what we're going to do is we're going to knead in the mince and the lamb fat. I'm adding the extra meat and all the spices. Knead until well mixed. Adding the spice mix too now. Both the flours. spice blend of gochujang, origin from Korea. Now mixing slowly, making sure all the spices are well mixed into the meat. Start to squeeze and knead. As you can see, everything's been combined together. Squeeze and knead, turning as you go. So the mixture now is coming together, as you can see, but you still need to keep kneading and squeezing until it's all fully combined. Once the meat is fully combined with the spices, we leave to rest for 30 minutes for all the spices and flavours to mix. To start the kebab, we take it bowl by bowl. Pressing down to a burger shape. Then building it onto the kebab skewer. As you can see, we're flattening it. Pressing and shaping around the skewer. Any trimming will be done at the end. After we've built the base, the ball size of the meat can now be increased to start the shape. After we've reached more than the halfway stage, we start to trim to make the shape. All the trimmings will then be placed back in the centre. So as you can see, it's trim Place the trimmings at the top and shape it round. We do this so the kebab cooks all evenly and there is no spaces. The smell of the spices with the meat is absolutely divine. As you can see, all the meat is being used. Again, we're shaping the kebab and the trimming starts again. So remember, it's trim and shape, trim and shape. The shape of the kebab must be even all the way around for even cooking, so make sure when you're twisting, shaping, it's all even. Closing the door. The timer will be set for 60 minutes. As the meat cooks, it's sliced to continue cooking. If when the meat's cooked and you don't want to eat it all at once, then it can be stored in the freezer once it's wrapped and cooled. Now it's time for the slicing. Sliced at an angle, nice and thin. We leave the meat to cook quite well for the first time, as we want the meat underneath to be cooked, so it's not dragging it around while slicing. The smell is absolutely glorious. As you can see, it's well cooked on the outside on the first turnings. Now we have the naan bread, tahini sauce, spread as little or as much as you like. Next, the meat, again as little or as much as you like. Salad, cucumber, tomatoes, mint, or any salad of your choosing. Fold the naan bread, roll tightly, and slice. Delicious. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time.